In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to get premium CapCut for free. So all you have to do is give me your undivided attention and watch this video to the end. CapCut has been one of the best editing tools we have been using lately, but some of the things we used to use to enjoy it in CapCut just make it premium that you need to pay for it, and it's a good amount of money that you need to pay in order for you to use these features, such as the noising and the rest of the thing. Now I'm going to guide you through on how to get it for free, but there are two ways of doing it. So you can use your current CapCut, which is actually asking you to pay for it. You can use that very version and get all the things, everything you want out of it for free. Yes, you can do that. But if you know you want to get the real version, the real CapCut Pro, then make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part, because in between this video, I'm going to guide you on how to get the real CapCut Pro for free. Yes, for free, totally free. So let's start with how you can use your current CapCut, the one that is in your phone right now, and get all the premium features using it excellently well without any problem. So let's start with that and watch me through. So the first thing you do is that you launch your CapCut, you smash your CapCut icon and it will load like this. And once it loads, for those of you, I believe you're not new to CapCut, so you know how to do. So you go to new project, pick any features you want to, pick any of the footage or footages you would like to work on. Okay, pick it up. Then once you pick it, it's going to give you opportunity for you to get any of the videos like this. This is actually the video we want to work on. We want to try those pro features. It's those pro features that are telling us, oh, we have to pay for it, we have to pay for it, then get it done. So let's see what to do. What we'll get to do is very simple. So now what we want to do here is that we want to use the features that are pro. Okay, just like this follow button. You see this actions follow button is a pro. So if I click it like this, if I click it the way I've clicked now, funny enough is that all of these features were free before this time. They were all free. We used to use it for free, but now CapCut came up with their own strategy and say for us to use it we have to pay for it. So I've added it now. Now they have indicated, if you look at the top here, they have said pro. That is to say we cannot export this video without paying for it. So once we get these pro features like this, we've gotten the features is here already. So let's play it and see how it is. You can see now why do we need to pay for it is because actually some of these features are produced by people. Do you understand now? These features are produced by people, so and they are actually making money from CapCut, so definitely they deserve to be paid. I'm not against them collecting money. Yes, but if there's a way, if you have the money, you can pay. If you don't have the money, then you find a way around. And the only way you can find around is that by the time you use these features, I don't want to delay this video, I don't want it to be too long. By the time you use any features that they say is pro, yes, by the time they say it's pro, for you to export it, it will be a problem. So let's go to exporting. When you go to exporting like this, they're going to ask you that, oh, these features you're using is a pro feature, so you got to pay for it. You are using pro features, so you need to pay for it. You need to pay for it. So if you are to pay for it, it's going to be a problem, except you have the money. Please, if you have the money, go ahead and pay, because actually people are making money from CapCut also. But if you don't have the money, what you need to do is simply smash your screen recorder. There are a lot of screen recorders. You can get AZ. Me, I use AZ recorder. So let me show you. I use AZ recorder, AZ screen recorder. So smash your screen recorder and use it to just smash your screen recorder. Once you smash your screen recorder, it's going to record everything that is on the screen. So that being the case, you now put this video at the end of it. Watch what I'm doing. After editing your video, let's assume we have finished editing this video. I want to make it very short. After I finish editing this video, set your screen recorder. Once you set your screen recorder, the next thing you're going to do is simply play this video. Watch me play this video like this. So as you play the video like this, it's going to play everything that is in the video. All the features will play. All the features will play, and it's going to screen record everything that happens in this on the screen. Yes, it's going to screen record everything that happened on the screen. So it will now be as if, okay, you've gotten those features. Now the CapCut will no longer detect it as a pro versions. Do you know, it will no longer detect those features as if they are pro again, because what you now bring in will be will now be screen recording. Now all the features we are looking for, remember that this is the feature we use here for this testing, and this feature is Pro. By the time we record it and finish, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to stop it and import it. So let's stop the screen recording. After we've stopped the screen recording, the next thing we're going to do is open CapCut again, open a fresh page on CapCut. Once you open this fresh page on CapCut as a new project, so you're going to import the previous project. You understand? You're going to import the previous project, and the previous project will now come in. So watch what I'm going to do right now. So this is the previous project, so I'm going to add it to the tray. What are the things you're going to do? Highlight this project. Then these are a few things we're going to do. First of all, in order for you to fit, go to transform. Now transform will give you ability to resize it. Do you understand? So we're going to resize it to what you want. Remember that this on its own was able to record the whole screen. It's record the proof, element, everything. But what we want was just our job, since we are not able to pay. Yes, let me say so. Since we are not able to pay, so at this point you have resized it. All the excesses that was there will no longer show. It will now be just what is here. You understand now? It will just be what is here. Now you're able to have this follow button working. Watch what I'm doing. You're able to have this follow button working. This follow button is working very well, the way you wanted it to be, the way it is. But it's no longer pro. That pro element is no longer showing. Do you understand now? That pro element is no longer showing because it is your screen recording. It assumes it's your video. Yes, it assumes it's your video. So you can export this one and it's going to come out very safely. Now, this is what you're going to do in all the elements. All you have to do is use them the same way you used to use it. After using it, so record it, screen record yourself. Screen record that video, everything. After recording everything, the next thing you do is you bring it back to CapCut and resize it, transform it to the size that you want. Then after that, you simply smash export. You understand? Simply smash export. Now I'm making this video to be very short so that we can get what we want. Smash every other element that CapCut used to deliver that you like about CapCut. Use the same pattern and work it out. You understand now? Now I want to show you something that I'll be able to export this video without stress. You get me? Let me export this video with this very element. You're going to see it in your present right now. So you see now I've clicked export. It's exporting. It's no longer telling me though that I'm using pro features. Meanwhile, the other one, it told me that I'm using pro features. You see now. So I believe you've learned that one. And if you know you've learned, kindly smash the like button and share. So this is what I want you to see. Now, remember I promised that I'm going to let you have CapCut Pro Premium for free. CapCut Premium for free. Yes, for real, there is CapCut Premium. After watching that, you can see that you can use your current CapCut and still get the pro features and work things out. Everything will work perfectly well. But that's not what I really want to show you. I promise to get you CapCut Premium for free. No cap. I'm not just telling you CapCut is free or get pre-CapCut. No, I am being real. I'll get you CapCut Premium for free. Yes. So if you want to get CapCut Premium for free, what you have to do is see the number that is showing on the screen. Yes. Reach out to that number. But before you reach out to that number, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe. Share this video to as many as possible. Share this video, like and comment. You understand? Now comment. I have listened to what you're going to comment. Comment at the comment section. I have subscribed. That's what I want you to comment. Comment, I have subscribed. Then screenshot it and send it to that number you're seeing on the screen on WhatsApp. That number is on WhatsApp. Send it to that number on WhatsApp. Then you're going to be given an access to my community. Now in this my community, that's where I'm going to get you the CapCut Premium for free. I don't ask you to pay for me. The only thing you have to do is subscribe, share and comment I have subscribed in the comment section. Then I will get you CapCut Premium for free. So listen, your task is subscribe first. Now once you subscribe, share this video and drop comment I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Do you understand? That's what I want you to do. So now you now send it to this number that is shown on the screen. Then when I go through it, I'll go to the comment section and confirm that your name, your channel have subscribed to this very video, and you have shared, you've liked, you've commented. Do you understand? Yes. Once I confirm that that is true, I'll add you to my community. There you can download the original CapCut Premium. I'll give you access to it. I'll add it to my Telegram group, and there you can download the original CapCut Premium and install it to your phone, install it to your system, and use it both system and your phone. So I hope you've got some value. If you haven't subscribed up to this time, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, because this channel is bringing you more video on content creations, video editing, CapCut, technology, and things of this kind. These things I've mentioned is on this caliber, and you can use it to make money online. You can use it to make money online. So if you know you need original CapCut Premium, subscribe now, drop comment on the comment sections, and copy this number you're seeing here. Chat this number, tell this number I've subscribed, I need CapCut Premium. I'll add it to my community. Then in that community you can get those features. I love you. See you next time.